Hi, this is Bill with Machinery Consultants out in Salt Lake City, Utah. We'd like to present to you today a world-class machine in absolute pristine condition. It's an American pacemaker. It's a heavy-duty American pacemaker, serial number 75989/59 or stock number 9607. This machine has 50-inch swing-over bed, 36 inches swing-over cross-slide, and 172 inches between centers. We're going to go ahead and talk about the specifications while we're running the machine. Go ahead, let's throw some power to it, Frank. We're currently running at 2 RPMs. The spindle speeds, 27 of them, range from 2 to 400 RPM. We'd like to point out there's a low motor and a high motor. The low motor is 20 horse, the high motor is 40 horse. So it's a 40 horsepower motor that has 27 spindle speeds on the RPM, ranging from as slow as 2 to 200 or 4 to 400, depending upon which range you're in. We'll show you the low to high range as we get going here.
That's
12 RPMs, guys. The overall weight on this machine is 37,000 pounds. Left to right is 24 foot long. It's 101 inches front to back. So again, it's 24 foot long by 101 front to back. Notice he was using the jog button on the spindle, very nice feature. .24 RPM. The machine is currently sitting on 6-inch blocks, so it appears to be 6 inches taller than it really is. 200 RPMs. Thanks for calling it out. Let's do. Let me pan the camera in on you. He's showing us the feed in and out on the cross slide. There's also feed on the apron, as well as the fact that it has power rapid traverse on X and Y. You're looking at a heavy-duty wedged out tool post, a McCroskey. Or excuse me, it's not a wedge style, it's a heavy-duty positioning. McCroskey heavy-duty tool post. That power rapid traverse is nice. The machine also has a steady rest, as well as a heavy-duty tailstock. The Morse taper sleeve, or the Morse taper spindle in the tailstock, is a number 6. It's a live center style quill in the tailstock. The heavy-duty steady rest has a 25-inch hole opening with the capacity of holding up to a 20-inch diameter part. I want to do a condition overall on the ways. Cross slide ways. I'm going to have you move that cross slide back just a little bit in a second so we can show them the rest of those ways if we could. Here's the ways up near the headstock. Absolutely pristine. Amazing condition. Very limited use. You want to show them that rapid again? That was pretty cool. Nice. Very nice.
You want to show them that? What's the high to low?
Yeah, let's show the high to low. Show the inside of the gearbox while we're back here, if you don't mind. Showing the inside of the headstock gears, spindle, excellent condition. Thank you.
Just like that.
Beautiful.
Here's your control start. traverse.
Nice. Let's finish up with the walk around on this machine. So that's the height of the low range that he just showed us. We're looking at the rear of the machine here.
This is max.
Max RPM. 400 RPM. Here's the drive plate. Here's the coolant pump. This machine is 37,000 pounds. Yes, that's right, 37,000 pounds. Taking a look at the tailstock. It's a hardway machine. These machines are hardways from the factory. It has a micrometer bed stop, heavy duty tool block. The chuck that you're seeing is a 24-inch 3-jaw as well. Well, if there's any questions we can answer on behalf of Machinery Consultants here, please feel free to give us a call. Machinery Consultants' website is www.machineryconsultants.com. We're located in Salt Lake City, Utah, as well as the fact that you can chase us on Facebook at Machinery Consultants. Thanks again and have a great day.